Hi folks, I am giving you a quick little tutorial on how to create a subfolder in your Google Drive to stay organized, as well as how to work with a PDF so that you can edit it. So right here, you'll see in my Google Drive ENG2D folder, I've created a reading folder. What I want to do to make that folder is go to New, Folder, and then call that folder reading. So that when you have documents that I have assigned for you to read and work with, you've got all of your readings for ENG2D right there in that folder. Today, I've assigned an article from Newsella. The article Black in Space um, needs to be saved in your drive as a PDF. So in order to do that, you need to click Print on the article, Article Only, and you actually click the little printer icon. Where it says destination, rather than sending this document to an actual printer, you're going to send it to your Google Drive by clicking Save as PDF. And now this is a laptop, so I'm using Google Drive file stream in order to do this, but you of course can save it to your desktop, or you can so you can upload it to your Google Drive, or you can use Google Drive file stream. If you're on a Chromebook, you'll be able to save it directly to your um, your drive. So I can always help to troubleshoot that sort of thing. But basically, you're saving it so that you can put the PDF into your Google Drive and use it later on. So mine's already saved. I saved it previously. You would click Save, put it in your drive. Now that you've got the PDF to work with, I want to show you how to add a Chrome extension to your Google Drive so that you can edit and work with PDF documents. By clicking on New and then going all the way down to More, you can actually connect more apps to your Google Drive so that you can do various things with the documents that are in your drive. The one we're going to use today is DocHub. DocHub, DocHub allows you to edit PDFs. It's an extension. Mine is already installed. For you, you're going to click Install in order to install DocHub to your Google Drive. You're going to have to allow its permission to access your HDSB account. Now, DocHub, now that I have it added, when I open this PDF, it's actually going to open it using DocHub. Sorry, I need to find my little article here. So my article now I've actually started working with in DocHub, and I've called it what I want to call it. One of the tasks that you're going to be working on is labeling the parts of a news article. So I've called my article, let's call it Black in Space, parts of article labeled. Now what this allows me to do is actually highlight right into the parts of this article. So for example, if I want to take a highlighter and I want to show Mrs. Phillips where the caption of the photo is, I can highlight the caption and then grab a text box and label it. Got it. It allows you to actually edit the document. So previously I highlighted the headline and I highlighted the byline, and I've got a highlight and a label for each part. You could even put in, let's see if we can add a little draw freehand. You could put in, say, an arrow or a line to indicate what you're talking about, right? It's up to you. You can edit your document however you like. And then when you go to save it, you're going to click this download or export button, and you're going to export it to your drive again. If you want to organize your drive, you can go show and drive, or you can go all the way back here into your drive to recent, and you can always click and drag that article into the folder reading that you just created. So you've got it. DocHub is a super useful tool throughout the quadmester, especially when you're working in the virtual secondary school, because you're able to work with PDFs. We know that most of the texts you're working with are electronic, so this should be a really useful tool for you. If you have any trouble setting this up or navigating this, please let me know. I can help you in our Google Meet. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a good day.